Hi guys, welcome to math. So we are continuing with conversions of measurement. We are moving on to more capacity, like liquid. This always makes me think of cooking, baking, recipes, these type of conversions. And I always think of gallons. I always think of gallons of milk, because that's really the only gallon I can picture in my head, or like a gallon of water. All right, so this is like what we did yesterday. So we have to come up with the rule of conversion and then fill out the table. So there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So we're going to multiply by 4. So the rule for converting gallons to quarts is multiply the number of gallons times 4. So multiply the number of gallons times 4. Okay. So quarts to pints, we are going to multiply the number of quarts times 2, because 2 pints equals 1 quart. So the rule for converting quarts to pint is multiply the number of quarts times 2. So up here, 1 times 2 would be 2, 1 times 4 would be 4. This is going to be like your standard rule. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 2 pints equals 1 quart. Like that's like your equation that you need to know. And then down here, pints to cups, it's the same thing. You're multiplying by 2 because there are 2 cups in 1 pint. So the rule is multiply the number of pints times 2. Okay, so then over here, 1 gallon equals how many pints? 1 gallon is going to equal 8 pints. 1 quart is going to equal 4 cups. And 1 gallon is going to equal 16 cups. This is tricky, even for me, like just to keep all these conversions and numbers straight. So again, the reason we're doing these practice sheets is so you have these conversions and these equations to help you with the problem set. So I'm going to do number 1 with you on the screencast, and then you are going to do 2 through, so let me check the assignment. Problem set 1 through 4 today. So you're only going to stop here. So here we go. Susie has 3 quarts of milk. How many pints does she have? So here we go. I'm going to go back up here. I need to know quarts to pints. Okay. I know that 1 quart equals 2 pints. That's the first thing I'm going to write. 1 quart equals 2 pints. All right, so Susie has 3 quarts of milk. How many pints does she have? 2 ways that you can do this. So you can take 3 times 2 and come up with 6 pints. Remember that unit is huge. Or if you want to do like a visual, so if you want to do quarts to pints, so 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6, and this is kind of where our patterns come in again, and your answer would still be 6 pints. So similar to what we did yesterday, just working with different units. Please show the work, and please write your labels. And if you are posting this on Seesaw, please stick to like 1 picture per a Seesaw page. If you're trying to put too many on 1 page, it's really hard for me to see your answers, and oftentimes I cannot. So try to post so I can see it. So remember, today you're just doing 1 through 4. I know there are more problems on this problem set. We're going to do those problems tomorrow. This is a longer problem set, so I've split it up into 2 days. So just 1 through 4 today. And then we will Zoom at 2:30 to go over your work. And hopefully you'll be prepared to share your work through Zoom.